Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add pattern on clothes in Photoshop. So let's get started. First press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and now make a selection of the shirt. After make a selection, go to select, modify, expand by 1 pixels. And again go to select, modify and this time select smooth and smooth by 1 pixels and hit OK. And now add a layer mask. So import the design. Now go to file, place embedded and import the pattern design and transform it to the shirt size. After make adjustment, hit enter. And now create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options, move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side and hit OK. Now create a curves layer and create a clipping mask and adjust the brightness as per your need. Now create a brightness and contrast and again clipping mask and increase the brightness and increase the contrast. And make a duplicate of this layer and press Ctrl J and place it on top of all layers and change that blend mode to overlay and reduce the fill to 25% and opacity to 38% and hit OK. And see how we can easily add pattern design on clothes. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.